We all have the ability to meditate, and it looks different for everybody, but there's a couple of things that all look the same, which means when we start our practice, boom, we begin to tap into our energy. We begin to create a bubble between the outside world so that the edges of the world, all the emotions, we get a little filter between us and the outside world. We begin to raise our energy. We feel better. We tap into our guidance system, our natural guidance system. And so as we move forward, meditation is a skill, right? It's a practice, right? So my meditation this year looks different than I did last year, meaning how I meditate, the form which it takes. Like I said, this year, it's all about, sitting in nature, check, and writing in my journal and sitting quietly. Last year, I had to have some guided meditation. So remember, it is a skill and we can all practice.
Are you ready to connect with your spirit guides, angels, and loved ones? I'll show you how in my 2-part free Spirit Pathway workshop. You'll learn how to access healing wisdom, messages, support, and love waiting for you. Sign up today.